Hi, welcome to Stock Analysis. Today we are going to discuss on a stock which has a potential to become a multi-bagger stock in coming 3 to 5 years. One can invest this stock in a SIP mode. This stock is a great gift to your kids. So let's begin the stock analysis. Overall stock analysis. Point number 1. Company has a low debt to equity ratio. Point number 2. Healthy long-term growth as net sales has grown by an annual rate of 78.20% and operating profit at 54.49%. Point number 3. With a growth in operating profit of 17.46%, the company declared very positive result in June 21. Stock. Point number 4. Stock is technically in a mildly bullish range. Point number 5. High institutional holdings at 33.97%. Quality. Good. Valuation. Expensive. Stock info code BSE code KPIT Tech. Market mid cap rupees 8,742 crore. Sector IT software. The stock gave a total returns of 207.90% in the last 1 year, outperforming Sensex returns of 55.14%. Quality scorecard. Good quality company bases long-term financial performance. An independent software integration partner to global automotive leaders. Focus on automotive and mobility. Worldwide footprint with direct presence in Germany, America, Japan, India, Korea, in China. KPIT is a leading independent software development and integration partner helping mobility leapfrog towards a clean, smart and safe future with 7,000 automobile believers across the globe specializing in embedded software, AI and digital solutions. KPIT accelerates slides implementation of next generation technologies for the future mobility roadmap with engineering centers in Europe, the USA, Japan, China, Thailand and India. KPIT works with leaders in automotive and mobility and is present where the ecosystem is transforming. Solutions: autonomous driving and others, electric and conventional powertrain, connected vehicles, vehicle diagnostic, AutoSAR, vehicle engineering and design. Accelerating the journey towards autonomous driving. Diagnostic development a transformational solution from KPIT. The future of embedded software and automotive functionality. KPIT is a leading player in the automotive industry. Know more about it. Thank you.